Hi guys, hello and mabuhay. Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. How are you all guys? I hope you're doing well and amazing. And for today's video reaction, let's travel to one of our favorite country, which is Spain. Hola, buenas tardes, buenos dias to our Spanish friends. And yeah, this is a week for Eurovision Song Contest. Like I think they're having their semi-final round, and we will be having our video reaction to this amazing young lady to represent Eurovision Song Contest Spain, the Isa Diva. The title of this video is Performance of Melody Isa Diva live at Eurovision 2025 semi-final jury show. And credit also with the owner of the video to Toxic Vision by Chico Toxico. I'll put in the description box below so that you can connect also with the owner of the video and watch a full video, since we have to make some few cuts of it for the video reaction purposes and commentary. And please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React, and be part of our member that you can see at the description box below. Let's get to it because I'm excited with this year's Eurovision Song Contest 2025. There are a lot of strong contenders. One of them is Isa Diva, is Melody that represent Spain. Let's get to it and enjoy with this.
You're a superhero.
Every year. These are France, Germany, Italy, Spain, and the United Kingdom. Also directly qualified for the grand final is last year's.
The hosts are very beautiful.
But now we welcome on stage one of these big five. You cannot vote for them tonight, but you can enjoy their performance. Claro que sí, disfrutar y demos la bienvenida a España. Here comes
España. Oh my goodness, that's amazing, the staging, how they show and represent the video at first before she will start performing. And wow, I think one fact is like she knows how to bake, and that's amazing. Not just she's very talented as a singer, as an artist in Spain, but she knows how to bake, and that's incredible. Singing, the introduction, I really like, even that this is just far from the stage because of the video quality is not good, but still you can hear and feel that she has an amazing voice, that the beat of the song as it started, it's like so fantastic, and it's great to listen. Boom, nice. God, wow. Oh my God, I'm so excited with the surprise. She just threw the hat and like the curtain was going down because I know there is some surprise of her outfit because Melody is just giving a surprise in she's very sexy already. She's very beautiful. This is an amazing performance. I love the vocal quality, the range of her tone. It's so great and incredible. Wow, bravo. I'm loving this. Good. Oh my God. That's amazing. The audience, the crowd was cheering and like singing together with her song. And I really like those the backup dancers and those sexiness. It's like a jello effect of it that of course she has this beautiful like moves, beautiful like aura of her and performing such a wonderful seeing the audience love the performance because of the beat, and that's incredibly amazing. And I love this so much. She's incredible. She knows how to make the audience like connected with her and perform so well, and that's boom, love it. Oh my God, that's how crazy. She knows how to move and the dances, the movements that you really like it. I really like the way how this backup dancers dance with her together and those movements so grace and so like they're incredibly amazing. The I know that this is just not a final performance, but still she's giving it all. That this is a grand finale already. Oh goodness. She's killing it. She nailed this performance. Bravo. Go Spain. God. Oh my God, that's dangerous. Oh goodness. Bravo. She deserved all the standing ovation and cheer. Isa Diva Melody. Wow. Wow. Bravo. That was incredible and amazing performance. She knows how to perform. She knows how to connect with the camera, especially with like giving and the end of it, like how you just like transferring. It's so dangerous to do it, but of course the dancer is so professional. It takes a lot of courage. It takes a lot that I know that she wanted that for the like a twitch of her body, and that's incredibly amazing. Another level of Isa Diva Melody. Oh my goodness, you're such an amazing artist. You perform it so well, and that's an amazing way of doing a performance that people will love. That I hope guys you enjoyed watching with this one, because I am excited for this with Eurovision Song Contest 2025, and who has the best performance and song and like connected with the audience. If you have some comments and suggestions for my next video reaction to any Spain or Isa Diva Melody performances, put in the comment section. I would love to read and respond with you all. And please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, June Riz React. Thank you so much, guys. God bless. And oh my God. Buenos dias, buenas tardes to our Spanish friends. God bless, and see you in my next video reaction. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye, guys.